What's up guys, Pedro here, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to change a rear view driver side mirror on a 2006 Honda Accord. Same installation instructions should work for a 2003 to a 2007. Coming up right after this. Okay, so I just have to take this off. I taped it up pretty good. And I guess I don't really need to take this off, but I wanted to show you how this sucker was hanging. I should have gone and got my knife. Or a knife. Oh, never mind. I forgot about my little knife I keep in the car. Let's see. Yeah, that works. Oh, broken mirror. Well,
I'm glad I'm not superstitious.
Just because that's the second time I broke that same mirror. Oh, look. And that's how it was hanging. Let's see. I think. I don't want to break this. Look at that. That thing just pops right off of there. How nice. And yeah, that looks just like the one I got. I'm going to determine the size of these nuts and I'll be back. They look like about 3/8, maybe a little smaller. I'm going to determine the size of these nuts and I'll be right back. Okay, so my wife bought me this cool socket set here years ago. Turns out it's 5/16. Yep, 5/16. Okay, so I was only able to get that one nut off with that socket. You can see these other two nuts are back behind this piece here, and I'm not taking that piece off. What I've done is I found an open-end wrench, 5/16. It's open end and a box. Oh, is it not 5/16? No, it's 11/32 on the other end. That works. Open end. Kind of odd that it's a different size on the other end. I think there's probably one in there that's got a size. I don't know why it would. I don't know why it would be different. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. I found the 5/16 box end and it had a different open end. I don't know why these wrenches are like that, but I actually dropped the wrench down in there and it's inside the door now. I'm either gonna have to take it apart or just leave the wrench in there, which I was able to loosen it enough to be able to probably get the nut off. Yeah, but there's a wrench in my door. That sucks. Like I said, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. So you people out there trying to do this and something like that happens to you, don't say I didn't warn you. Okay, so all I had to do was remove these three nuts. This one here, and this one here. Pulled the old mirror off and reinstalled or installed the new one. The new one just fit right in there. This is part of the new mirror. It fit right in there. There's 3 bolts on the new mirror. They went right through there and just put the nuts back on there and bam, there you have it. New mirror. Looks good. Looks good. This little adjustment thing here works. Okay, so there you have it. Brand new. Adjusted. Oh yeah, I love it. There's the old one. Well, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and share button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you have any video suggestions, please put them in the comments below or email them to me at thomas1008.net. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, God bless and take care. Okay, so I'm going to work a few weeks ago, and I'm going to a new show up I've never been to before. It's dark. My GPS is taking me down a road I've never been down before. Trees are real close to the road and all. And this small buck comes out of nowhere and puts his head down and rams my car. I barely had time. I swerved just a little bit and applied the brakes. Bam, he hits my car. Boom, shatters my mirror. I go on down the road a little ways, pull off the road as best as I could. I couldn't pull off too far. Put my emergency lights, or my hazard lights on. Grab my flashlight, jump out of the car, look down the road. I don't see him. He's not in the road. I look in the ditch. He's not in the ditch. So I guess, I don't know. I look at my car, no blood on the car. He put a dent in the fender, shattered my mirror, put a dent in my door. My window goes sporadically up and down. Anyways, the deer's gone. I hope he's okay. My car's not. So anyways, this is what caused me to have to go buy a new mirror for my car. I sure as heck wasn't going to pay anybody to install the mirror. I looked online. A lot of people said that it's costing anywhere from $200 to $500 for somebody to install a mirror on your car. Bullcrap. So anyways, I ordered it on Amazon.com, and I'll put the link to it down below. You know I ordered it from Amazon.